Culture is the customary beliefs, social forms, and material traits of a racial, religious, or social group. It is a set of shared attitudes, values, goals, and practices that characterizes an institution or organization. Filipino culture is known not only in Asia but in the whole world for its unique culture and unique people and places. Philippines is considered as the one of the country with rich culture and is being preserved up to date. The festivals are very well known when we speak about the Philippines. It reflects their kind of living, beliefs, and creativity. Filipino people always gives attention to etiquette. The people are very particular when it comes to the appropriate behavior towards a society norm. Filipino people are food lovers. They are also well known for their unique and incredible cuisines. Every place in the Philippines has their own original cuisines. Creativity runs in the blood of the Filipino people. They are well known for being artistic in any field of arts because this is where the culture is being reflected. Indigenous group of people in the Philippines are well known for their kind of ancestral living that was being preserved throughout the time. Being a Filipino, I am very proud to promote my country's culture wherever destiny brings me. Filipino culture is a variation of blended races that have influenced this group of islands for thousands of years. The everyday living of Filipino people is being affected by the influence brought by the conqueror from different country, and it was being preserved throughout the time. I grew up in the rich culture of the Philippines through understanding and giving value to my culture is embracing the kind of life I have.
The benefits of culture is to enhance our learning about the past. Culture can also be benefit by expressing creativity, forging our own individual identity, and preserving our own culture. It is important to learn our own culture so that we will know what way of life our ancestor has. It is also important to know how they features their culture with their unique norms and how different mores and laws are present and implemented in the society.
Why is tradition and culture important? Because it brings families together and enables people to reconnect with friends. Tradition reinforces values such as freedom, faith, integrity, a great education, personal responsibility, a strong work ethic, and the value of being selfless. Culture provides important social and economic benefits with improved learning and health, increased tolerance, and opportunities to come with others. Culture enhances our quality of life and increases overall well-being for both individuals and communities. Culture is a strong part of people's lives. It influences their views, their values, their humor, their hopes, their loyalties, and their worries and fears. So when you are working with people and building relationships with them, it helps to have some perspective and understanding of their culture.